What's up guys, how y'all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you 3 ways on how to block websites. Now let's start with first way, which is go to Play Store, then search for block website. The first method, it's gonna be with an app. The last two, they're gonna be without an app. So let's download the app. It's called the block site. It's on like 20 megabytes. So now we have the app ready. Let's click on it. Okay, now these are just terms. Now you need to turn it on through settings. Okay, this is the one. It's in settings, it's in service. Block website, turn it on. Allow block website to have full control of your phone. Okay, now you say add a website. Let's go with you can add apps too. So Facebook, YouTube, and let's go with these. Done. Cancel. Okay, here I can put timer for it. Okay, and if I want to delete it, just click on it and it's deleted. Okay, now let's go to Facebook, see if it will work. Now let's say I want to add a website. You'll go to the green add or plus and you type in, let's say www.google.com, and here I think this one, go done. Now say I want to go to Chrome. As you can see, this site is blocked by block site. Now the second method is through your Wi-Fi internet. So you'll go to your settings, Wi-Fi settings, advanced, and you'll go to this one. It will be DHCP. Click on it and you go static and you scroll down to the DNS. Now it will be 192 or whatever you have, and you need to change it to something else. You need to change DNS1 and DNS2. So all you need to do is type in 208.67.222.123, and in the next DNS same 67 dot, but this one is 220.123. You'll save it and you close everything. Now what this thing do is it will block adult websites. So let's go and try it. Let's go to Chrome. So let's try it. Let's go to Chrome and type in Pornhub. As you can see, this site is blocked by block site. So the thing is that block site even blocked these ones, but let's say that I don't have the, you see, if I went back now I can't play it. So let's delete block site. Let's uninstall it. It'll take seconds. Okay, now let's go back to Chrome, and as you can see, it's blocked. Your connection is not private. So reload, same thing. Now the third method will be through settings. So let's go to settings, then search for private DNS. Then from there you go click on private DNS and go click on private DNS provider hostname. Now here you need to change hostname, and there is different host names you can look for on the internet. So I found this one, which is the most good one for like blocking any adult content, plus not just blocking, you can even not type any comment on YouTube or different apps. So this one is so good. If I'd save it, as you can see, it took it now. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, and let's go to Shorts. You can see that the comment is disabled. I can't write any comment, I can't see comments. And even though if I want to go to websites, it's preventing me from going there. So guys, this was it. If the video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and I will see you later in the next one. Peace.